Hey, what's up, friends? So, how are you all? Myself Shivam Bhandari, your growth partner, here with my new video. So, as you saw in the title, if you are doing business or are planning to do a business, so this video is for you. Yeah, if you want B2B leads for your business, if you want unlimited leads for your business, yeah, you heard it right, and I will be going to show you exactly right now how are you going to get that. Yeah, and potential leads according to your customer persona. So watch this video till end, and I will be offering you the best thing that you can ever imagine. So let's directly move to the screen for getting ahead in the video. So let's go. So here we are on the screen. So yeah, let's start with the video. So I'm going just wait a second. So here we are, the three tabs are open. So these are the three ways by which you are going to get unlimited leads. So yeah, you may have heard of Apollo or may not, I'm not sure, but I am going to tell you how to use it without paying any charges if you don't have budget, and it will be better if you have budget. So yeah, you can even get to its pro version. So let's start with Apollo first. So it is a good method to get unlimited leads. So here we are, you have to first log in and sign up and create your account in this, and after that, after creating your account, so we will go to the people section, and here we go. So here are filters. Okay, so we will be creating a persona and I will be creating a new persona for you all. So let's go with it. And let's say you are a company, you are a business owner, and you want to connect a business owner to, you want to connect another business owner, you don't want to connect with any C level employee. Let's say work is of that type, so let's say owner, and let's say director, and let's say partner. Let's make it three only. Okay, so management level, let's say owner, founder. C should be work, vice president, director. So these are the management level that you are seeking for. And then industries, so let's go with industries, and here we go. So let's say you want to connect with information technology and services company, and let's say computer software, and let's say mm, financial services. So these are the three that you want to connect with. And location, yeah, the main part. And let's say you want to connect with a company of this background and this level of employees of a location, let's say United States only, and you can even put India here, UK, any country. So and employees count, yeah, you want company with 1 to 10 employees, 11 to 20, 21 to 50, 51 to 100. Yeah, these are the four sections that you are seeking for, that we will going to say persona. And yeah, sorry, let's see, name it persona 2. Okay, so here we go. So done, and yeah, here we go, the details. So you will find when you will use this platform that there are some limitations to use it. Okay, you will be able to use it in first for free for some time. Let's say you will be able to get 50 contacts for free, you will be able to get profiles of 50 people with their numbers, emails, but after that it is paid. So for the one who doesn't have capacity to pay, or want to try it, or want to, let's say, first yeah, check it, is it working or not. So what I am going to do here is that with every profile here you will be getting LinkedIn links. Yeah, LinkedIn is a social platform for professionals. If you are not there, go create an account for yourself. So let's say you want to connect with Narendra Sahu, we will go into LinkedIn office in his profile. So here we go, Narendra Sahu, director of PCI DSSI, his profile and all, and we will be going to give him an connection link. So here you go, it is that easy. So you are getting around 100 connections per week in Indian for free. So, and let's assume out of 100, 25 accept yours. So it is beneficial, no? If 25 people accept an invitation, you can message them directly without any limitation, without any package. It is that easy. So let's say Lance Healy, so you want to connect with her too, sorry, him too. We will going to connect him. So yeah, you can add a note too. So this is his profile, and yeah, maybe he will going to accept that. And if you are presently using LinkedIn, so yeah, this is a very good platform for professionals of all types. So here is the way to get the leads for a business. And yeah, you can go to till 5 rows. You can extract as many data as you want. So it is that easy. So let's say you want to connect with Mark Wallace, and yeah, you can even access his mobile number. If you have credits, then you can extract his mobile number too. And here we go, here it is. His mobile number is here, and it is his personal number. Okay, it is his personal number, 67854670011. Okay, so you will be getting some free credits, and you can extract data for free till then, and after that you can get his LinkedIn here, and yeah, you can directly contact him. It is that easy. So this is first part, which is combining Apollo and LinkedIn alone. So his second part goes, let's say you want to connect through LinkedIn only, you want to get leads through LinkedIn only. So it also has a way to get all leads through LinkedIn only. So if you are not in LinkedIn, first of all you have to go and create a profile for yourself. And when you have created a profile, you can connect with like-minded people. Let's say it is Yuvraj Raghuvanshi. He's an entrepreneur, marketing and peer expert, and I want to connect with him. I will be giving him a connection link, and yeah, a request would be gone on his side to connect with me. And if he connects, I can message him directly anytime. So here I am. I have right now 4,300 connections. So here they are. Let's say I want to connect with uh, Amartya Mishra. He's founder Pet Station Law graduate. So I will be giving him a message. So hey Amartya, great connecting. Open for collabs. Please tell if I can help you in any way, providing marketing strategies and graphic design services. Hmm, Thanks. So here we go. So directly a message has gone on his side with this, and yeah, if he find it helpful, he would be accepting it, and yeah, we will be moving further with our deal. So it is that easy in LinkedIn too. So there are two methods that I told you. First is Apollo plus LinkedIn, or a single Apollo. It can even work best if you can buy is pro version. And the second part is a pure LinkedIn part, and yeah, it is that easy in LinkedIn too. If you want to search someone with the purchase hat. Okay, so people, and yeah, locations, let's say India. So here we go, head of purchase and operations at Nidhi Verma. So I can directly give him a connection link, and yeah, if she connects with me, I will be going to give her a message for our deal, and yeah, we will be moving further. So this is that easy. So I told you two methods. First is Apollo, second is LinkedIn, and now we will be moving further with the third method, that is Google Maps. So it is very helpful method if you want to get connected with businesses. So let's say you want to connect with real estate agencies in Dubai. So here we go. Here the data came, and yeah, see how many companies are there. Maybe there are 300, 400, 500 companies there. So let's say you want to connect with house and house group. You will be seeing their website here. You can browse it, and you will be seeing their number too. So you can directly contact them, to the team, or maybe to the owner if he has given his personal number. So here from here you can directly contact, but the point came here is that how you can get this old data scratched, get extracted at the same time, because browsing one by one would be little hectic and little exhausting for everyone. So I will be giving a way by which you are going to extract this whole data in 10 minutes. Yeah, you heard it right, 10 minutes. So this is not a manual method, this is an automation tool that I am having. So here the video goes for that automation tool. So right now we are here in my software. So we would click on Google Map data extractor that we was talking about, and yeah, and then we will write for the search that we want to get data for. So let's say we want SMMA, social media marketing agencies in America. Okay, so we will add it and we will search it, and it would now search in the web for the same in Google Maps, and yeah, we would see the different searches for the same thing that we searched in my software, and then we will start grabbing it, and yeah, we would see that it will be automatically grabbing the data for every company, and yeah, it will give you at end an Excel file. So yeah, it will be beneficial for you, and yeah, to save your time, and yeah, so you would see the no mobile number, reviews, rating. uh, So the main thing for us here is mobile number and the name of the company. But yeah, if you would get website for, it will be good, and we can judge the company with the reviews. So yeah, so now it would be running till it has completed all the searches, and it would take around 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, you can use it. It is beneficial. So here were three tried and tested methods that I gave you in this video. And yeah, and an automation tool too that will help you extract data faster and will save your time. So yeah, that's all in this video. Stay tuned for other videos. If you're doing business or want to do business, this channel will be helpful for you to get insights, how to do it, how to grow it, and yeah, how to sustain it. So let's end the video. And yeah, if you want services like graphic designing and marketing strategies for your business, please contact me through the description. And yeah, I'll really help you in your business. So thank you so much. Bye bye.